Hi, Marnie Bennett. You know, a lot of people have asked me, how do you buy new construction? And why do I know so much about new construction? So, first of all, a little brief history. I was one of the only women builders in Ottawa, one of the largest builders, and then I also had a marketing and sales company afterwards that I serviced practically every single builder in the city. So, I know new construction, know how to build a house and all the processes. So one of the things that people, when they want to buy new homes, how do they get started? How does it work? So first of all, every builder is different. Every legal agreement is different. The people that are working for the builder in the sales centers are not necessarily licensed realtors. They're working for the builder, so they're a builder representative. So you've got to be aware, and a lot of times I suggest you bring with you someone who is a licensed realtor that actually knows new homes. Not every realtor, actually very, very few realtors understand new homes. So when you go into a sales center, for example, and you start looking, and you probably start your search online, and you'll notice all the different prices and the models. Now you've got to remember, every new home, they're starting from prices. It's no different when you go to any other realtor. So they will add, it could be a lot premium. So it depends on where the house is located. You've got to look at it, say for example, if they back onto Parkland, you're going to pay more money. If you back onto, for example, a busy street, you may pay less money. You've got to look at where you're looking at is, are there fees? Are there joint use fees? Because if you're looking at detached homes or townhouses that are freehold, and when they are freehold, what that means is you own the land. So a lot of builders will have model homes. So what you should be doing is, first of all, registering when you start. Don't register online unless you have your realtor with you, because you want to have someone with you that can guide you through, because buying a home is emotional and sometimes we get caught up a bit. So you want to understand when you're going to a model home, and a lot of builders will have this, and it's great. You want a sheet of paper that indicates how much is in that home that's not standard. That's an upgrade, and they should have a price point for the upgrades on how much it is. When you walk into a sales center or you look online, you will see something called a site plan. And what that means is where all the different houses are, and they will have different timelines of when the closing dates are going to be. And they're going to have, it probably won't have the premiums there, but if you're getting a pie-shaped lot that's wider, you're going to pay more. So you need to ask a lot of these questions. When you're walking through, and some builders right now have adjusted that they're virtual model homes, so you want to ask and go through, and as you start looking, maybe in the kitchen, is what I'm seeing there, what is not standard? What is extra? How will this work? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to talk to you on a series now of what are the questions you're going to be asking. Because you got to remember, every builder is licensed under Tarion, it's called. And what we want to look at is the deposits. How are they protected? What are the stages? How long does it take to build? What are we talking with development charges? So stay tuned and get the inside track on how you buy a new home with the Bennett Property Shop at 613-233-8606. Because you got to remember, what you're seeing sometimes, you don't judge the book by the cover. You got to get the inside story.